Good evening, gang. Arizona RE here, and an unusual night out for me on the motorcycle. And Triumph is having their Back in Black Tucson event, and it's right over there, but I got to do a whole weird thing on the road here in order to get to it. As with most of the roads in Tucson, they're all kind of screwy. But this is the release of the Bobber Black and the Triumph Speedmaster with the 1200 HT engine. So it's pretty cool. Got an invite from AZKKTT, that's Arizona Kawasaki KTM Triumph of Tucson. So we registered. And my wife was going to come with me at first, but she wasn't feeling well tonight, and you know that crud's been going around, so she stayed home, and I brought the Tiger. Now I realize they're releasing one of their modern classic type motorcycles, and maybe the Bonneville would be more fitting, but you know what? This is oh, easy there, easy. You see that there's people here, right? Oh, I don't know how I can be in a good mood when stuff like that happens, but whatever. I guess I'm in a good mood because they didn't kill me. That's only like the 4th time that's happened since I got on the bike. But that's all right. So here we are coming up into downtown Tucson. It doesn't look like much, but it's well, it's my town. That's supposed to be my exit. I guess, is it not my exit tonight? Alright, I'm thinking I can get through. This is weird. Alright, here we go. Hello, I will have to wait on the choo-choo train. Oh, there are a lot of cars out here. Oh, there it is. I see the trailer. This is fun. I've never been to a bike release party. So where's the Triumph parking at? They've even got themselves a Charlie Borman look-alike. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys. Guess who's going to be here? The guy who now has my Triumph Scram. Alright, we'll go check it out. Very cool. Very cool. Lots of bikes.
Wait. They got cheese dip? They got cheese dip?
Well, good job, Arizona Triumph. Good job, gents. Nicely done. Well done, Tucson. Really, I'm quite surprised. I am genuinely quite surprised. I did not expect on the middle of a week for there to be that many people there. I really was expecting to be sort of a downer, you know, just half-heartedly, because a lot of times enthusiasm in Tucson, I don't know, they call it Manana Land. It's this attitude that Tucson has about everything. They don't want to ever get too excited about any one thing. And it was nice to see all the interest in Triumph motorcycles there. There were a lot of guys from BMW poking at the Tiger 1200. I was really surprised by that because, quite honestly, most of the BMW guys I've met just won't even think about a Triumph. So that was kind of surprising. I met the owner again. His name is Jeff, so easy to remember, and a very friendly guy, very friendly. He's all excited. Those guys, they see my social media posts, so for those of you who follow me on Instagram and subscribe to my YouTube channel, hey, thanks. You know, these guys recognize the value of individuals that are out there talking about their products. Very connected to his to the people that he sells to his customers, because I think he owns 3 dealerships, 2 up in Phoenix and 1 here in Tucson. And you know, he came down here for this, and he said this was a better crowd than the last one he had turn out in Phoenix, so that's kind of awesome. Speaks well once again for Tucson and Tucson's interest. So anyway, hope you guys enjoy some of the quick photographs and shoots. If you guys don't follow them, follow your local Triumph dealers on Instagram, and I bet if you do this for some of the other dealerships too, they'll let you know when they're going to have a get-together like this, or a bike reveal party, or demo rides and things like that, and go out and get involved. You know, all the talk is that the motorcycle community is slowly disappearing in the United States, and you don't let that happen. Show them how interested you are in motorcycles. Show them how interested you are in their products. And I know that, you know, this is a two-way street. We like to get some love from the dealers, and we want all the new bikes, and we don't want to have to pay through the nose for them. But, you know, guys, if we're not as enthusiastic about their products as we need to be in order to keep them around, we'll slowly start losing dealerships. We'll slowly start losing motorcycle producers, and pretty soon there won't be much competition out there, and then imagine where the prices will go. This particular dealership, while it was a Triumph reveal night, this particular dealership has Kawasaki's, KTM's, so it bodes well for Triumph that they're sitting there on the floor. Their adventure bikes are sitting right next to the KTM stuff. So if you're Team Orange and you go in there, you're getting a look at the Triumph Tigers as well. And then the Kawasaki Z900 RS sits right next to the Bonneville T120. So, you know, it's a really good place to go and look at bikes because they got a nice selection. But these guys did Triumph really, really well tonight. I was well impressed. I got a little swag bag with a hat and Triumph, bunch of stuff with Triumph logos on it. It was kind of cool. I have a feeling the bigger cities probably get a bigger deal about it, but hey, for Tucson, I'm telling you right now, man, this was pretty freaking awesome. I've never been to anything like this. I didn't want to vlog the whole time. I really just wanted to take it in, and I found that to be pretty cool. Anyway, I hope you folks have a good night. Thanks for watching. Stay good cagers.